Hello, YouTube family. This is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a thank you video to everyone who participated in the most recent premiere of Kicking Off October along Tidewater Rails. I have got to say, this was a really good premiere. A lot of the premieres I have done recently have been very nice, and I've received a lot of nice comments. I want to say thank you to all who have participated in these premieres, not only just this past premiere, but all the premieres I have done. Uh, the chats have been very nice. I've interacted with a lot of you rail fans out there, and I'm really glad that a lot of you guys are liking the content that's being published, and I'm always improving. So, uh, and I'm constantly making new videos, constantly making new additions to them, like making quality better for a video or adding different transitions to something, making even the titles a little bit better. And that's part of doing a lot of rail fanning videos is always look back on your previous work and improve it some. And remember, there's always room for improvement. Always keep trying because it just takes that little tiny spark to make wow a different audience. I mean, there is a phrase out that says, bring a spark, light a fire. Bring in talent to your videos. It could be that one little addition, that one little bit of extra effort may make a huge difference on the video. So I thought I would offer those little words of wisdom there for you new YouTubers. Uh, Also, just want to say the new Q&A is out. The October Q&A prompt is out. So the ones of you who have not yet submitted your questions for that, you still have some time. But that time is going to be quickly ending soon. All right. And we'll look up the date real quick. I believe I have said it before, but I'm going to verify that here in just a second. The last day to submit any questions is October the 29th. That's a Tuesday, October 29th at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. So that is the day the questions will stop. And the 30th will be a day where I will get the questions answered and I'll be putting the video together. And the video will be up for your enjoyment on the 31st, which is Halloween. So that will be up there for that. And November's Q&A prompt will be released on November 1st for your enjoyment. So anyway, I just want to take this opportunity to thank all of you for participating in the most recent Q&A. I do apologize if I do look tired. I've just, had a long day. But um, but really and truly, thank you guys for participating in the Q&As. I'll be leaving the Q&A prompt video for October on the end screen, so you guys can just click that video right there, and you guys can literally just go right to it. I've received a lot of good questions so far. They all look pretty good. I'm still really looking forward to answering a lot of these questions. And let me say this much. I'm very happy that new users are coming in and existing and people who have done it before have also coming back. And you know something, and that's always really good. So so now I just turn it back over to you guys. Go ahead and just click the October Q&A prompt video and just listen to it carefully with new rules. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next rail adventure. Peace out, and may God bless, and good night.